Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Kenilworth in Queensland.
Kenilworth is a lovely country town nestled between the Mary River and the rolling hills of Blackall and Conondale Ranges, 160 kilometres from Brisbane. It is a foodies and nature lovers' paradise with amazing donuts, fantastic cheeses and wonderful nature walks.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
In today's video, we wander around the town centre and try the donuts at Kenilworth Country Bakery. We also visit the Kenilworth Dairies and meander along the fig tree walk at Little Yabba Creek. We explore the local markets and see a Designer Dunny.
The heritage-listed Kenilworth Country Bakery was established in 1924 and is the oldest building in Kenilworth. The bakery is famous for its fantastic variety of donuts and the 1 kilogram donut challenge. Inside the bakery you will see hundreds of silver plates on the walls, displaying the names of those who have completed the challenge. We enjoyed our coffee and donuts in the outside alleyway, which is decorated with colourful pop art murals.
The Kenilworth Dairies are open 7 days a week and have a cellar door, dairy alley and Popper's Cafe. The cellar door is stocked with a fantastic selection of relishes, jams, sauces and wine from the local area. In the dairy alley, you will find a huge selection of soft and hard cheeses, yogurts and their amazing mousses. At Popper's Cafe, you can enjoy an iced or hot coffee, morning tea, lunch or one of their handmade ice creams.
Little Yabba Creek Park in the Imbil State Forest is 6.5 kilometres from Kenilworth, and this is where we started the fig tree walk. This 1.1 kilometre circuit is along an easy flat track and boardwalk through the riverine rainforest. Be aware there are giant stinging trees with stinging hairs growing on the leaves and the branches, and when stung the pain can last for days or even months. The highlight of the walk is the magnificent 150-year-old Moreton Bay fig trees and the peace and tranquility of the forest. There are also information boards about the forest and wildlife along the way. Little Yabba Creek Park, we read some of the work of local poets on display as part of the Sunshine Coast Hinterland to Headland Poetry Trail.
We went for a quick look to see the Designer Dunny at Isaac Moore Park. This public artwork and toilet block cost $580,000 to install and was designed by the Maloney industrial artist Michael Lenny to resemble an unfinished Indigenous fishing basket.
The Kenilworth Market is held every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. in the Kenilworth Town Park. It has a great selection of fresh produce, homemade arts and crafts, food and music.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.